Yeah, why do you look like you're about to be like the assistant professor for a class, dog?
Hey, it's Joe and Psych Montano. But this is BandBoozled, the show where we, we pair a cocktail with it. Features favorite album or one of their favorites. And do you know what album we're doing today, Psych?
Doing Illmatic by Nas, sir.
Tell me a little bit about why you picked Illmatic.
Culturally, like one of the most important albums ever, just in any music genre, but especially because we, do hip hop. That's like largely influential in like my style. I was growing up, that's what I listened to a lot. My dad's a DJ, so he gave me a whole folder of albums, and like I had all of the Nas albums, but Illmatic is like every single track is a gem.
I definitely think so. I mean, the way I kind of think about Illmatic in the context of like the hip hop world is it kind of laid down the foundation. And I wanted to see if I can find a cocktail that kind of is in that same spirit. And then I also wanted to get some New York in there too. Mm-hmm. So originally, I was just gonna do a plain old Manhattan. But then I found another cocktail called the Brooklyn.
It's like a Manhattan, a little bit different.
A little different, like ever so slightly different. It's gonna use a little bit of, I forgot the dry vermouth. The dry vermouth is not here.
Cut!
And we're back. Dry vermouth, what was I saying? Yeah, it uses dry vermouth.
Is it vermouth or vermouth?
For your mouth.
Vermouth?
Vermouth? I like to get a Manhattan with some vermouth.
Manhattan? What are you, from Philly?
But yeah, it's a Brooklyn. It uses dry vermouth instead of sweet vermouth, which I feel like it's going to give it a little bit more of a kick. Mm-hmm. Just like Nas, you got that kick. Mm-hmm. Got that kick. It uses all four of these. Cherry liqueur and Amaro. I'm picking Chinar. It's an artichoke liqueur, which is one of my favorites. So we're going to see how it comes out. You ready to whip something up?
Yes. How does this work? What are we doing?
1 teaspoon of the cherry liqueur.
It's very excessive.
Yeah, do you like this? It's a social distancing spoon, so you can make sure. To get like a teaspoon going on, it doesn't matter if you like go a little bit over, but that's basically gonna be a teaspoon.
That's how Shaq eats cereal.
You got that ugly spoon there, so you can.
This one's tiny.
It's tiny. It's tiny. It's got that little fork on the end that I don't like. It's for like cocktail onions. Nobody even likes cocktail onions. Too stupid. Then we're gonna use a 1/4 ounce of Amaro. Like I said, I'm gonna use the Chinar. Fill it up to that little line in the middle there. Beautiful. And it'll be a 1/4 ounce.
I always wanted to learn how to mix drinks.
Yeah, that's what I'm here for.
Is it?
If you go to the second line that's on there, that's gonna be 3/4 ounces. Mm-hmm. Put this guy in there.
Vermouth.
Hey yo, look at that vermouth. I just need a little bit of vermouth for my soul. It makes me feel tingly inside.
And outside.
And then 2 ounces. That'll be just right up to the top of that side of that guy.
And what is this?
That's rye.
Rye.
Yes.
Catcher in the Rye.
Yes. That's a book. Got Joey with that one.
You missed.
I haven't eaten today, so I'm all like shaky. I've had a rain and that's it, so it's just like every time I grab.
This stuff is so bad for you. Have you ever had a bang?
Yeah.
I had a bang before going into a meeting and I had to leave because I almost had a heart attack. You would see my heart through my chest. It was like, how many ice?
How many ice did you say?
I think there's another variation of this called a green point, which is in Brooklyn.
Yeah, I forgot about that. I think it needs green chartreuse and other things that I don't remember.
Yes. Very good.
Yeah.
I've been doing this for a little bit. Now we're gonna get those fancy.
I was gonna just pour it directly into my face.
Yo, we make our own rules over here at BandBoozled /Indie River / Cho featuring Psych featuring Cho. Albert J's in the building.
I'm not.
Salud.
I'm cool with it.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Like you said, it has a little bit of a kick to it.
Yeah. But I feel like it's a little bit more refreshing than a standard Manhattan.
Mm-hmm.
How do you feel about it? Would you sip on that while listening to Illmatic?
Yes.
Do you think that's a good pairing?
Definitely. This is sit down. This would actually accompany a cigar very well. I feel like Illmatic's a cigar album.
Yeah?
Yeah. I used to blast it in the backyard back in Long Island. Roll up either a blunt or get a cigar, listen to Nas, and just sit in the backyard by the pool and just cool it.
Well, I want to say that's about it. Before I sweat out Jack's shirt. Brooklyn, Illmatic, make it Brooklyn, pair it up, enjoy. Come back to the channel, check out Psych. We're gonna do a feature on him, and he's also gonna be featured on the site. IndieRiver.com/most likely Psych Montano, if that's how you feel like you wanna have it searched. It's up to you.
Yeah.
Psych Montano. You can get merch for him. You can get merch for BandBoozled, all at IndieRiver.com as soon as the site is live. If it's not live already. But I was Cho. He was Psych, and that's it. Yeah, sure. I don't know how to.
Wait. Ooh, baby.